Okay, so let's do a quick update on the car. I hung the front clip so I can make sure that all this lined up correctly and everything's tacked in. I got this bar here, the front bumper support and core support tacked in, and then I was getting ready to burn the bars in, and you can see how I have this set up, and it's in about the center there, and it was laid up to run across the fender there. Looks nice. But what it does is it interferes with this bolt hole here. There's no way for it to hang down, and there's not enough room to get the tab in. So I cut the tacks off of it and set this one. You can see we set it down just a little bit more, and the bolt clears, and it's laid back under the fender just a wee bit. Fits good. Had to cut this off. We had this all tacked in. This bar here comes up, goes around, grabs this mount here that's tacked in, goes down and grabs that. So today I gotta cut those tacks out, lay that bar down a little bit just like the other one, and then it's pretty much ready to get all burnt together. Hopefully get to it today. We'll see. It's getting there.